everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for many Canon FAX-L series printer owners, the Fuser Assembly Unit. This particular spare part is designed for a wide range of models, including the FAX-L100, L120, L140G, L150, L160G, L170, L140, and L160. When a printer starts showing signs of poor print quality, such as smudges, streaks, or toner not fusing properly to the paper, the Fuser assembly is often the primary culprit. Replacing this unit can effectively breathe new life into an otherwise perfectly functional machine, saving the expense of a brand new printer. One important detail to note about this specific product is its condition. It arrives as either a compatible new unit or an original refurbished one, with the selection being random. This approach allows for a more accessible price point compared to genuine OEM parts, making it a cost-effective solution for printer maintenance. While it is explicitly stated as a replacement part and not a genuine Canon component, its purpose is to restore the printer's functionality effectively. Users are strongly advised to verify the item's appearance and part number against their original unit to ensure perfect compatibility before purchase. This critical step is essential for a smooth installation and optimal performance, preventing any potential issues down the line. The Fuser assembly plays a vital role in the laser printing process. It's responsible for melting the toner powder onto the paper using heat and pressure, permanently bonding the image to the page. When this component begins to fail, print quality suffers dramatically, leading to unprofessional-looking documents. Opting for a replacement unit like this one means that one can restore crisp, clear prints without the significant investment required for a new printer. The fact that it is not customizable simplifies the selection process, as the unit is designed to fit the specified Canon FAX-L models directly. For those comfortable with basic printer maintenance, replacing a Fuser assembly can be a manageable DIY project, though consulting a service manual or professional is always recommended if unsure. The package typically includes one unit, or a set, depending on the specific selection made during purchase. This product offers a practical and economical alternative for extending the lifespan of a Canon FAX-L series printer, ensuring continued productivity and high-quality output. It represents a smart choice for anyone looking to resolve common print quality issues caused by a failing Fuser without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.